Today's lecture is one of the key features of new education policy in which there is replacement of 10 plus 2 system with a 5-3-3-4 system. The new education policy was introduced on 29th of July 2020. In the new education policy, this new education policy is going to replace the 1986 education policy, which has 10 plus 2 system of schooling. The new schooling system will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Even though there is a structural change in the schooling system in the new education policy, yet the number of years a student spends to study in the school will remain same, which are about 15 years till 12th standard. The new education system is going to bring the 3 years of kindergarten classes, popularly known as KG classes or play school classes, under the formal education. At present, the education system in which the student generally at the age of 3 to 4 years first join a play school. After spending a year or so, he or she moves to some formal school in which he or she takes admission in LKG and UKG. Till this, there is no formal education, there is no curriculum. It is followed by the 12 years of formal education in which there is specialization like science. In the science, there is medical, non-medical, or commerce or arts. In the new education system, this complete system of 10 plus 2 is going to be replaced by a more accountable and friendly system of 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system. Now, what is this 5-3-3-4 system? The concept of this 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system has been introduced in the new education policy on the basis of years that a student is going to spend in the school. First 5 years are in foundation stage, next 3 years in the preparatory stage, followed by 3 years in the middle school, and the last 4 years in the secondary school stage. The division of these stages has been made as per the developmental stages of the student, like both physical as well as mental. The detail. The first is foundation stage of 5 years. Age group covered will be 3 to 8 years. Classes include our play school Anganwadi, class 1 and class 2. This foundation stage is one of the key changes from the previous education policy. Here the first 3 years will be covered in the play school or Anganwadi. The children will be given some formal education in a playway manner, which was not at all in the earlier policy or the present policy. This play school classes will be followed by the class 1 and 2. Throughout this foundation stage, the focus will be on the play-based basis activity methods of learning and teaching. Further, there will be some emphasis will be given on the development of language skill. The language of instruction will be local language. Here, the importance of early childhood care and education is recognized in shaping the child's future. Second is preparatory stage of 3 years. Age group covered will be 8 to 11 years. Classes included are class 3 to class 5. The main concentration will be with respect to development of language and numeric skills. The method of learning will include classroom interaction, learning through experiments with an element of discovery. The students will be given a chance to discover something at their own. They will be given some say models to made or some other activities through which they will discover the new things. Each student will be encouraged to ask questions and carry out discussions so that he or she becomes more expressive as everyone has got his or her own knowledge. Next stage is middle stage of 3 years. Age group covered will be 11 to 14 years. Classes included are class 6 to class 8. At this stage, students will be exposed to some vocational education with internship along with the conventional learning of main subjects. The pedagogy will be experimental for the subjects like science, maths, social science and humanities. Not just books, but students will be exposed to experiments to discover the new things. E-contents will be provided to give the mass to the students. Now, what is this? Now, students will be given some video clips to study the subject like social study, in which there is history. An event of history is difficult to learn, but the student, if sees it through in the form of a video, in the form of a movie or some cartoons, then he or she will be going to learn it very easily or retain it for a very long time. Another key feature of this stage will be 10 days of backless period, where the students will be given a chance to interact with the local vocational experts. Now, during these days, the student is not going to bring his or her bag. वो सीधा आएगा स्कूल में with some tools and go to some local vocational experts. Now these vocational experts may be carpenter, maybe some mechanics or something like that, so that he or she can learn some vocational skills. The new education policy 2020 will ensure at least 50% of the students have comprehensive exposure to vocational education by 2025. The last stage of the schooling will be secondary stage of 4 years. Age group covered are 14 to 18 years. Classes included are class 9 to class 12. This stage is further divided into two phases, class 9 to 10 and class 11 and 12. In the first phase of class 9 and 10, students will be provided with some professional counseling to know the strengths and weaknesses, which will help them to choose the right combination of the subjects. The key change in this shift is from simple system to a multidisciplinary system where the students can opt for a variety of subject combinations as per his or her skills and interest. Presently, there is a strict division in science, commerce, arts, and student has no further choice of the subject in between. This stage will push greater critical thinking along with flexibility of thought process. So overall, the system of 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 will be a shift from bipolar to tripolar condition where not just teacher and curriculum is important, but teacher, curriculum and student are equally important. Thank you.